Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see the divisibility rules from 2 to 15. Divisibility by 2. To check whether a number is divisible by 2, you have to check whether the last digits are even numbers. That is, it should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Then that number is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. To check whether a number is divisible by 3, we have to add all the digits. When you are adding all the digits, the added value should be divisible by 3. If so, that number is divisible by 3. Example 47862, when you are adding all the digits, you will get 27. Since 27 is divisible by 3, you can say this 47862 is divisible by 3. The second example 77773, when you're adding all the digits, you will get 31. Since 31 is not divisible by 3, this number is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. So to check whether a number is divisible by 4, you have to see the last two digits. If the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. In this example 87468032, we have to check the last two digits, that is 32. When you are checking this 32 is divisible by 4, yeah, it is divisible. So this number is divisible by 4. The second example 784361, the last two digit is 21. Since 21 is not divisible by 4, we can say this number is not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. So if this everyone know, when the last digit is 0 or 5, this number is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. To check whether a number is divisible by 6, first it should be divisible by 2 and then it should be divisible by 3. Example 97314. Since the last digit is even number, this number is divisible by 2. To check whether it is divisible by 3, you have to add all the digits and you have to check whether that value is divisible by 3. Yeah, you are getting 24. So when it is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this applies the divisibility rule. And for 6. And 28147214, it is divisible by 2 since the last digit is even number. And when you are adding all the digits, you will get 29. Since 29 is not divisible by 3, this number is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. To check whether a number is divisible by 7, you have to multiply the last digit with 2 and add it to the remaining digits. So here 462, when you are multiplying the 2 with 2, you will get 4. So when you are subtracting it from the remaining digits, 46 minus 4 is 42. Since 42 is divisible by 7, then this number is divisible by 7. Second example, 74683. The last digit is 3. You have to multiply this with 2 to get 6. And when you are subtracting it with the remaining digits, you will get 7468 minus 6 is 7462. Again, repeat the process. 2, you have to multiply it with 2 to get 4. Subtract it with the remaining digits. 746 minus 4 is 742. Again you are repeating. 2 into 2 is 4. 74 minus 4 is 70. So when that 70 is divisible by 7, so this number is divisible by 7. The third example 82647, you have to multiply the last digit with 2 to get 14, and you have to subtract it with the remaining digits 8264 to get 8250. Since the last number is 0, you will get the same 825, and again you are multiplying with 2 with 5, you will get 10. Again 82 minus 10 is 72. 72 is divisible by 7. 72 is not divisible by 7. So this number is not divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. To check whether a number is divisible by 8, you have to see the last 3 digits. If last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. In this example 747744, I have to check the last 3 digits 744. It is divisible by 8, and so this number is divisible by 8. 67475. When that last 3 digits is 475, it cannot be divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. To check a number is divisible by 9, I have to make sure that when you are adding all the digits, the added value should be divisible by 9. So here 747261, when you're adding all the digits you will get 27. Since 27 is divisible by 9, you will say this number is divisible by 9. Second example 743, when you are adding all the digits you will get 7 plus 4 plus 3 is 14. Since 14 is not divisible by 9, this number is not divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10, this we all know, if the last digit is 0 then that number is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11, to find whether a number is divisible by 11, you should add the alternate digits, that is the first digit, third, fifth, seventh and ninth. So all the odd number and all the even number digits you have to add. If both the value are same, then that number is divisible by 11. So in this example 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 4, you have to add 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4, you will get 15, and the next time you have to add 4 plus 7 plus 4 and that also 15. So this both the values are same, so this number is divisible by 11. The second example 7, 2, 8, 6, 4, 3, you have to add 7 plus 8 plus 4, you will get 19, and the 2 plus 6 plus 3 is 11. So since the values are different, this number is not divisible by 11. Divisibility by 12. To check a number is divisible by 12, it should be divisible by 3 as well as by 4. So the example 743616, first we will check whether it is divisible by 3. So when you are applying the divisibility rule for 3, you will get 4, you are adding all the digits and you will get 27. It is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3. And you have to check also with the divisible by 4 rule. So when you are using the rule, that is when the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 4. So here the last 2 digit is 16, and so this number is divisible by 4. So this number divisible by both 3 and 4. So this should be divisible by 12. Divisibility by 13. To check a number is divisible by 13, you have to multiply the last digit with 4 and you have to add that value with the remaining digits. So when that number is divisible by 13, then the whole number should be divisible by 13. In this example 741, you should multiply 1 with 4 to get 4, and then when you are adding with the remaining digits 74, 74 plus 4 is 78. 78 is divisible by 13, and so this number is divisible by 13. The other one 1170, when you are multiplying with 0 with 4 you will get 0. So when you are adding 117 with 0 you will get 117. Now again repeat the process. So when you are multiplying the 7 with 4 you will get 28, and when you are adding this 28 with the remaining 11 you will get 39. So this 39 is divisible by 13, and so this whole number is divisible by 13. Divisibility by 14. To check whether a number is divisible by 14, we need to check whether it is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 7. For example 868, the last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. And for checking whether it is divisible by 7, you should multiply the last digit with 2 and then subtract the value with the remaining digits. So we'll get 70, and so it is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 7, so it is divisible by 14. And another number 1128, the last digit is 8, so it is divisible by 2. And for checking divisibility by 7, it is 8 into 2 is 16, and when you are subtracting 112 with 16, you will get 96. So it is not divisible by 7. So this number is not divisible by 14. Divisibility by 15. To know whether a number is divisible by 15 or not, make sure that it is divisible by 3 and also divisible by 5. If so, the number is divisible by 15. So in this example 93285, to divisible by 3, to check whether it is divisible by 3, just count all the digits and you will get 27. 27 is divisible by 3. and divisible by 5. The last number is 5. So it is divisible by 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 15. The next number 73625. To check whether it is divisible by 3. When you add all the digits, you will get 23, and so it is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 15. Hope this video is useful for you. To get more videos like this, kindly subscribe and share your friends. Bye.